Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Tech Channel. In this video, we will be showing you how to view all of the friend requests that you have sent on Facebook. In order to access your sent friend request list, just open up your Facebook application first. From the application, tap on the menu button at the top right corner underneath the messenger icon. Now from the menu page, scroll down and tap on Friends. From the Friends menu, you will be taken into the list of all of your friends on Facebook. Tap on the Request button and you will be taken into your friend requests list. From this page, tap on the three dots at the top right corner and then press View Sent Requests. And in this page, you will be shown all of the people from whom your friend requests are pending. If you send a friend request to any person and then come back to this page, their profile will immediately appear on this page. You can also tap on the Cancel button to cancel your friend request. So that is how you can view all of the friend requests that you have sent on Facebook. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell as well in order to be notified whenever we post a new video. Thank you for watching.